Good morning, good morning. Hello, hello. What do you know? It is the Swag Show. Welcome back. It is, I think, a Wednesday. Weird, wacky, wonderful, wild Wednesday edition of the Swag Show. It is 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, December 11th, 2024. Thank you for being here. Let's get into it. $375. I don't know how Santa got 2 contracts on there somehow, but we'll take it. Sometimes when he gets to moving and grooving, things happen. Hey, yo. Welcome in. Joseph, Just Chill, Shriver Concrete, Cara Matt, O, Adrian Smith, Smoothie, Liam, Grape Lover, Crypto Clark, Ayo, Cool Clips, Ed Foyo. Tell them BoldBot beauties to get off. Go drink their coffee and tea somewhere. It's my time to shine. The spotlight is on, like Kanye said. Benjamin, Patty, Yolan, Brendies, Tiger, Off-Road, Ed B. Welcome in. Hello. What do you know? Good morning, good morning. Gotta look and see what's happening. NQ Big Bang's in a $5,000 long. If you want to see 2 for 1. NQ Big Bang got in a long this morning. It's up $5,155 as we speak. Miguel, Anthony, Emil, R, Exit, Benjamin. Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean. Jelly Bean till your fingers turn green. Steve Hall. This just in. Hamada, Snoopy, Mr. Snow, Omar, Ice, Maud. Welcome in. Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean. Jelly Bean, where's everybody at? We're up $5,000 on one mini contract on NQ Big Bang here. Let me squeeze it so you can see it. The proof is in the pudding. Good morning, good morning. Mike Z, 5 Spoke. Hello, hello. I hope everybody is having a fantastic Wednesday. It's a weird, wonderful, wild, wacky Wednesday full of surprises. The CPI report came out. NQ Big Bang, one of the premium algorithms, decided to go ahead and take along here, and it's been in it ever since, up $5,200 on one mini contract. 10x its risk. Good morning, Mike. Hello, hello. Hope everybody is doing well today. I don't know what happened to my Santa, but he's in, it looks like a naked trade somehow. He's up $400 on this trade, but he has no stop loss on it. So I don't know what happened. But anyway, good thing it's in sim, right? $5,300 now on this NQ Big Bang long. All-time highs. Don't have FOMO. Don't chase this price action. It's way too far up there for me. I'm done. I'm just going to be happy with the little wins that I got. Pamela Smith, Rosando Prab, welcome back. David, good morning, good morning. giveaway list. Let me pop that up here so I can start putting people on the list, like Santa's list. Checking it twice. Gonna find out who's naughty and nice. Gonna give away 2 lucky winners, 1 free month to the standard algorithms on the 23rd. Is yours in a naked trade too, Mike? Is that what you're saying on Santa? Did it get in 2 contracts and then one closed out but one's naked? It's up $560 on the $600 now on this Santa naked trade, I guess. Here. This is what mine looks like. I don't know how it got into a naked trade like that, but you got out of it? Okay. Well, shiznit. Trusty Tran, good morning, Cal. Count me in for the drawing. All right. Let me put you on the list over here. Oh, I'm all caps. Trusty Tran. There you go. On the list, on Kyle's good list. Yeah, I'm happy with my small wins. You know, you always wish it could be more. But then when you do that and you start over trading is usually when you lose. So I'm locking in $100 across all my accounts and $287 on my 150K Tradeify account. But everything else is right around $100 today. So it is what it is. Like I said, $100 a day is $2,000 a month. So it's nothing to sneeze at. And then you multiply that by 8 accounts. And you've got 16,000 this month, right? So it makes it, when you look at it like that and you focus and you clear your mind and say, man, I only made $100 today on this account. Okay, well, how many accounts did you make that on? Me personally, 8. So I made over $800 today, right? Stop looking at the small picture. Look at the big picture. $100 a day per account is $2,000 a month. Per account, right? So, like I said, I have 8 accounts. I made over $100 today on each one. So that's $2,000 a month per account. So that's like $16,000 at the end of this month is what it should equal out to, as long as I don't do anything stupid and I stay to the small ball, slow and steady plan that we're on. Right now, the market's moved up so much today, I can't get into another trade. It just doesn't make sense. We're at all-time high. Ooh, Digi, lightning bolt. All right, that's all the NPC stuff you're going to get. But hey, I appreciate the gifts. Thank you very much. How long did it take you to pass the Apex challenges? I usually can pass Apex 50Ks in 2 or 3 days. But that's strictly off of manually trading and getting a little bit aggressive on my sizing. So you got to take that with a grain of salt and for what it is. I manually trade most of them to pass them. Now, you can scalp them if you have Santa and you want to lock in, like I said, $50 to $100 per trade that it gets into. But you got to know, you got to be okay with it. Good morning, Shane. Good morning, everybody. I don't know why Santa is in this trade still. Something's going funky. Because it closed it out, and then it gotten along, but now it has no stop loss. I might need to like disable this or close out of it. Let's see. Can I close the position? I think I gotta go to the actual Santa close all selected positions. Yes. All right, we're gonna close out, but then we're gonna re-enable them and see if he can get us back into another trade here. But 5,400 freaking smackaroonies on NQ Big Bang. The problem is with most of these prop firms, they don't want you trading big news like this, so it would have been hard to get away with running it at the time that it did. But if you got in later on, it might have been able to capture some of this. It's 10:40 a.m. and we've had a green, red, and now a green candle within a, what is that, a 50-point range. So it might go sideways here for the next hour to see if they're going to buy back all of this move up or if it's going to continue to move up. But be careful. I'm done trading. I can't trade anymore way up here in the atmosphere. Yours did that yesterday on Santa? Yeah, I don't know. Caught ES New and NQ PBV, but didn't have Big Bang turned on in time. Yeah. NQ New range was 1 for 350. ES New, I'm sure it's still in a trade, but I closed it out early because I'm scaredy cat. But yeah, it's probably green. I don't know, $200-300 right now. But I closed it out because, like I said, I'm on a different plan than some people. I didn't want to give back any profit, so I closed mine out when it was in profit, like $75. So I'm going to be happy with that. Hey, Kyle, are you trading full-time and free from your 9 to 5 now? Yes, Marcus. Yes, I am. My 9 to 5 now is to work for Lauren and BoldBot. So I'm an administrator, onboarding specialist, risk manager, game plan advisor, and I stream Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern Time, and I'm trading full-time now. Thank you. I appreciate that, Marcus. I know you've been a long-time follower. Yeah, I just didn't trust being up so high on that, Shane, that I just wanted to make sure we grab something, you know? We got to stick with this slow and steady race. I'm happy, though. You know, I'm blessed. $100 a day, guys, is $100 a day. It's better than losing $200 or $300 or $1,000 when you go on tilt. So, yeah. I have 8 live accounts, $100 across each one. That's $800 today. And one of my accounts, the 150K Tradeify account, is at 287. So I'm done with that. You know, I'm just going to go slow and steady and win this race. I've been doing this for 2 years, so I was profitable the first year. Last year, when I went through my divorce, I lost a shit ton of money doing this because I had to give a lot of it away from what my lawyer told me to do. I'm still pissed about it, but we're back on a new journey. We're here together. I'm going to show you everything every day. And yeah, we're going to do this together. We can all win together. Slow and steady wins the race. $100 a day, $200 a day, whatever your goal is, it doesn't have to be the same as mine. That's just the journey I'm on. I'm looking for $100 a day per account. That's $2,000 a month. And to help you get there, we offer the standard algorithms. The MicroStrategy game plan is projected to win between $3,500 and $4,500 a month. That's $500 for the first month of the standard algos, $1,000 a month after that. Lauren also is running a Christmas special on the digital mentorship. It's only $1,000 to learn how to manually trade. That gets you access to the student group, the manual play of the day, the proprietary chop zone, the manual alerts. So it's well worth the money. You have 20, 50K accounts. We'll reach out to you, man, for some assistance. Hell yeah. Got them at 90% off. That's the way to do it. Slow and steady. Apex is very particular about their rules right now, so you got to be careful. You want to try and hit the same amount or right around the same amount each and every day on those accounts so you can guarantee a payout. But yeah, congratulations, Marcus, on those. Just stick to the rules. Marcus, did you want entered into the drawing for the 1 free month giveaway that's going to be going on the 23rd of this month? You just have to follow me on TikTok, X, and YouTube. send me a direct message and comment on one of my videos, and you will be entered into the drawing. What's the price of the bot, Caesar? It's $500 for the first month for the standard algorithms, $1,000 a month after that, or if you want the premium, it's $1,500 a month. All right, Marcus, I'll put you on the list here. I hope you're doing well. I hope everybody's being successful and safe today on this crazy, weird, wonderful, wild, wacky Wednesday, December 11th, 2024. I'm not ready for Christmas. I really haven't bought my kids anything yet. The magic line you get when you become a student, Z. You just have, if you're a student, you have to ask for it. You should get it, I think, as a student, if I'm not mistaken. I don't think it's part of the premium. I thought it was part of the student, but I'm not sure. You'll have to ask Lauren. I'm so confused about. Yeah, you can ask Irma. She'll know. I don't remember if it's part of the student section stuff that you get access to that, or if it's part of the premium algos. But are there different bots? Yeah, so we have 9 or 10 different algorithms or bots and about 40 different strategies inside those algorithms. So for example, we have one called box seats or range. That's one algorithm, but inside that algorithm, we have ES new, NQ early, NQ later, NQ new, NQ open. So like 5 or 6 different strategies inside that one algorithm, if that makes sense, Caesar. Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean, Jelly Bean, until your fingers turn green. Help me help you help others. We're going sideways consolidation mode right now. After that big move up, now we got to consolidate for an hour to figure out what's going to happen. That's just the way the market moves, folks. It can only go up so high before it peters out and has to come up with either new buyers or the sellers are going to step in and sell all this back, I guess is the proper term. But I'm done. Be careful. We're up here at all-time highs on the NASDAQ at 21,720. So you guys can't even really see where the candlesticks are, can you? Let me squish that a little bit. All right, Santa's in a short here on YouTube. Which one do you recommend for NQ? I like a lot of them, so it's kind of hard. I stick with the MicroStrategy game plan, which is the box seats. NQ early, NQ new, NQ later, NQ open, ES new. But then I like, Big Bang, what I'm showing you. Even if you ran this on one micro, that's $520 right now. On one MicroStrategy, risking $50, you're up 10x your risk here. Because that would be $520 on one micro. But yeah, it's kind of hard. I use just about all of them, and I use them in different ways. I use Santa for like entry points and confirmation that the trend is going the way I think it's going. I use visual NQ Visi for the same thing on a bigger scale. And then I manually trade on top of that. I've taken Lauren's digital mentorship where I've learned how to manually trade. And I'm just looking for, my goal right now is small, but eventually it'll grow to be bigger. Once I double my account sizes or build up a big enough buffer where I feel comfortable trying to go for more each day, then I'll do so. But right now, I'm just sticking with $100 a day. Anything above that is great. Because, like I said, that's $2,000 a month. So maybe after 2 months of doing that, and I have an extra $4,000 worth of buffer built up in each account, then I'll try and go for 200 a day. And then so on and so forth. Because I don't like risking more than 10% of my account on any one day or one trade. So if realistically, a $50,000 prop firm account's only a $2,500 cash account. So, you got to do micros and build it up slowly. That's the problem. People bust and they get mad because they don't understand the risk management associated with those prop firm accounts. And yeah, it says 50,000, but in actuality, it's a $2,500 drawdown. So you got to think of it as a $2,500 cash account, and you got to size down to accommodate that size of account. Then you'll be successful once you understand that. What is the bot on the screen right now? It's called NQ Big Bang. NQ Big Bang. It's one of the premium algorithms. And it's green, $5,260 right now. From the open, before the open actually. It got in this trade way back when the CPI, I think, came out. Let me see when it came out. When did it get in this trade? So it got into this trade here at 8:10 this morning. So 2 hours and 40 minutes ago. It's been in this trade for that long. $200 on Santa short. You can see that over on YouTube. If you're over there, I'm showing you 2-for-1 today. Even though it's Wednesday, it's just a weird, wonderful, wild, wacky Wednesday. So I'll do what I want. I do what I want, Cap. No, kitty, that's my chicken pie pie. Let's see what else is in a trade. Santa, Visual Short, and Big Bang. Okay. Big. Here comes the sell-off. We'll see where it stops here on NQ. If it's going to come down to this 690 level, that's where the other two candlesticks before have closed on the 15-minute chart or hit. If it gets below that, this could be the turnaround and the move back down to sell off some of this big move up. But don't quote me, boy, because I ain't said ish. It's got to go below 679, in my opinion, to continue down here. $545 on NQ Visual Short. Now watch, Big Bang. You see the stop loss, the pink line. It's way down there by the entry, but Big Bang will close itself out if it feels like it's going to reverse on itself. So don't get confused. Big Bang will close you out of the trade way before it gets back down to that pink line and take profit. So thank you for all the likes, the shares, the follows. Roland, what up? My Canada connection. Vargas, welcome in. Hello, what do you know? Cynthia without the H. Oh, Cynthia, I guess, without the H. I get it now. Siri. Hello, Siri, what are the winning lottery numbers going to be? I wish it would tell you that, right? Do, do, do. I got a ticket last night. I was driving, dropped somebody off, and I guess I passed a cop without using my blinker. And, you know, they're in these unmarked SUVs now, so you can't see shit. And he said I was following too close behind the lady in front of me. And then I didn't use my blinker. But I was real polite and nice. And he's like, well, I'm just going to give you a ticket for following too close. I'm like, well, how close is too close? Because I was at least 2-3 cars behind her. He said, that might be, but you were swerving and changing lanes without your blinker, so I'm just going to cut you a break. I'm like, yeah, giving me a ticket is cutting me a break. No, not really, but whatever. I'll go to court and I'll fight it or ask for supervision. But I had to come home and use the facilities. Let's put it nicely. And I told him that. And he's like, so you're going to go all the way home? Why didn't you stop back here? I said, because I got to go number 2, man. Why are you getting personal? These cops crack me up sometimes. Good morning, Ada. Inspire. Hello, hello. What do you know? 700. All right, see there? All right, Big Bang closed out. I'm not even paying attention. So Big Bang closed out at a profit of $4,715. $4,715 on the Big Bang trade. And that's a premium algorithm. What I'm showing you now is NQ Santa. It is part of the standard algorithms, but you got to be careful. All right, it did break below that 675 level. So this could be, like I said, to move back down here if the sellers want to stop in. So we got Big Bang NQ green 4,715 for the day. Gridlock NQ green $4,125 on the day. We had NQ PBV night green 600. NQ ES new is in a trade. ES new is in a trade still. I don't know what it's at because I closed out early, but it's still green in a trade by looking at where it's at. NQ new green 1-for-1 350. Santa's green 450 on the day. Visual long green 395 on the day. And visual short is red on the day. But that's all right. We're in an $800 short on Santa here. And I'm hungry for some reason. I'm hungry. Let's see if it can break down here. Sell off some of this big move up and make a big mountain top on the 15-minute chart. Or if this is just a pullback to the fair value gap. The top of that's at 680 right here. It's always fun and interesting to see. The more you watch the market, the more you might be able to learn from it. Visual short still in a trade. Let's see if we can pop it up. Can you guys see that? $540, 565, 575. So it got short at 21,716 and a quarter. And now it's all the way down here at 21,688. So green $545 on this NQ visual short. Now, like I said, Can Spam, who comes in here and his name is User, he just uses visual long and short on 2 different accounts. And he scalps every day off of it, and he makes a lot of money. I think he said he passed a 100K account in 1 week. So, all right, there's that. Oh, Santa's in a trade again. I'm missing stuff here. That's why I want to leave him. Let's put this back over here on YouTube. Elsa is pumping. What is Elsa? Is that a crypto? Don't spam my chat, please. I understand. You're excited. What the hell is Elsa, though? Tell me, Department of Bulls. Please, tell me. I want some of that money. I'm going to have to make somebody a moderator. Jen and Irma and Lauren, they're too busy drinking their coffee. And Shane, you're too busy trading. All right. Did not close below that 690. It did wick down below it, but it didn't close below it. But the last 3 candles have been below the high of 734. So could this be the turnaround and go back down? Or will this just be a pullback consolidation and go back up? You never know. You never know. Marvin Dukes, welcome in. Hello, Marvin. I don't know why I'm talking like that, but it just sounded like that's how you should say your name. Marvelous Marvin. Marvelous Marvin Hagler. All right, so it was in a long, and now it's in a short. That's what Santa does. He's quick, fast, and in a hurry. You got to be careful with him. Like I said, people want him, but they don't understand how he works. All right, short and Santa are both in shorts, so this could be a good sign that it is going to move down for a potential short here. Just be careful. Kilo Juan Design's Gear, hello, or Juna, however you say your name. Welcome in. Thank you for being here. Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean. Jelly Bean, till your fingers turn green. It's 11:02. Let's get to 5,000 likes by 11:30. All right, so nope. No bueno on the short on Santa, and NQ Visual Short's going to get stopped out here probably as well. Yep, and there it's stopped out. Now we'll see Santa take the long. Yep, see, I knew it. Now Santa's going to take the long, and we're going to try and run back up to 21,718 and see if am I correct. You are correct, sir. Larry, I listening. Hello, welcome in. Thank you, Larry. Thank you for being here. Remember, if you want to get entered into the giveaway for the 1 free month of the standard algorithms, I am taking signups, but you got to follow me on TikTok, X, and YouTube, and leave me a comment and send me a DM on something. Let me know you want to get entered, and I can put your name on the list, or just tell me in chat, and I will put your name on the list. YouTube, you can do the same thing. I don't see any comments on YouTube so far today. Are you guys awake over there? What's going on? Lots of comments on the tiki-taki. There's 710. Green $125 on Santa. $135 now. We'll see if it can go all the way back up to that 21,718 and 7, and see if it's going to hold there and in this range and just be green, red, green, consolidation. It's Christmas consolidation. That's what we call it. Because it's Christmas time. It's Santa. We're here. My name is Kyle. This is The Swag Show. What do you know? I do go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern. Showing you live futures market trading using BoldBot, a fully automated trading algorithm for the futures market. If you want more information, please just email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. Put you on the list. All right. Put Marvin on the list over here. Marvin Dukes. The drawing will be happening on December 23rd at noon. Live on air. We'll spin the wheel, and wherever it lands, we're going to do it twice, though. So we're going to have 2 winners will receive 1 free month of the standard algorithms. This might be the biggest giveaway that we've done yet with the most people. I think last time we had 35 people on the list. And if you were on the list last time, you have to re-sign up. I cleared the list, so I don't have the names of the people if you were on it last time. But I will be doing 1 free month for 2 lucky winners on December 23rd, and then you will start on January 1st. So that's when your month will begin. $270 now on Santa. Run, run, run. Ho, ho, ho. Show me the dope for show. I could be playing this range here, though, but it's green, red, green. You know, we're at the top of it, but if you sell now, you could be a trickery. You know, it could just blow through here and go all the way up and make a new all-time high. So I'm not trading anymore. You do what you want to do, but just be careful. Be safe. Stick to your plan. I want to. Andrew, aren't you a member of the group already or no? If not, I'll put you on here. Maybe you're not. All right. I'm going to put Andrew on the list. Gotcha. Edgar Lopez. Hello, hello. What do you know? Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean, Jelly Bean. Until your fingers turn green. Help me help you help others. Let's get to 5,000 likes before 11:30. You got like 24 minutes to get me 2,400 likes. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it, coach. Put me in. I'd like to be entered for the giveaway. Desi Man, yes. As long as you're not a member of the group already, you are qualified to win. Burberry, welcome in. Yo, yo, hello, welcome back. Got you already on the list. So I'm checking it twice. Gonna find out who's naughty and nice. Gonna see and make sure that you're following me on the social media platforms. Make sure that you're not a member of the group, which is going to be hard because sometimes you guys put different names on here. But I have to somehow... This is for new members only. If you're already a member, you do not qualify. I'm sorry. Posofo. I don't know. Anyway, hey, welcome to the Swaginators. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate you being here. You are now eligible, if you followed me, to get on the list for the giveaway if you want. All right. Visual long is in a long. I've got visual short showing for some reason. Let's see. Let's get back over to visual long here. Visual long and short are both in the trades. Imagine that. And it's only 11 o'clock. A little early on the dual entries, but it is what it is. 195 on NQ Visual Long. This is what I'm talking about. You can move the stop loss in, lock in $100 worth of profit. Now, if it does pull back, it will stop you out, but it's better to win 100 than lose 200. That's the way Can Spam does it. That's what I taught them. That's what we're doing. Oh, Desi, you're already a member? All right. No problem. I'll delete you. Thank you for being honest. Cat Hill, welcome to the Swaginators. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate you being here. You are part of the Swag Nation Army. If you want entered into it, let me know. Tyler Jones, welcome in. Larry, if you follow me, I'll put you on there. 121. All right. Tyler Jones, welcome to the Swagonators. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate you being here. Got Larry on the list. Siver Core, I don't even know how to say that. Media, something. Multimedia. Siver Core Chor Chisholm Multimedia. I don't know. Anyway, hey, you're here. Thank you for joining. Whatever. NQ Visual Long going higher. Higher and higher. Are we at a new all-time high? Would be 21,737, I think. Can you be entered? You sure can. The drawing is on December 23rd at noon. Cesar Romero, welcome to the Swagonators. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate you being here. So mark your calendars. Put it on your calendars. December 23rd. It's a Monday. I think. Better double check. Yeah, it's a Monday. Can you close out positions manually? Yes. You can move the stop loss up to close it out, or you just hit the close button on the chart trader if you wanted to close out early. So December 23rd, that Monday at noon, I will be giving away 2 lucky winners will receive 1 free month of the standard algorithms. And you'll start on January 1st. So be prepared for that. Drawing on December 23rd. NQ Visual Long in this long here. We'll see if it's going to break above 21,740 and continue up. The high of the day would be that, right? What's the high of this candle here? High is 21,734 and 3/4. 736 and 1/4 is the high. So if it can get to 736 and 1/4, that's a new all-time high. And we might just continue to move up all day. Who knows? Doesn't look like there's any stopping it. But no FOMO. I'm not going to trade way up here after a 200, 300-point move from this morning. So 21,449-ish is right there. So that's almost a 300-point move, yeah. NQ Big Bang caught almost all of it, 4,715. NQ Gridlock caught 4,125 of it. NQ PBV Night last night won 600. What's ES Range doing? Let's take a look, see where it's at. It's probably up a little bit. 638 is, or 683 is right there. So it's up some, but it's consolidating. NQ later might take a trade here, but I turned it off. I don't know why. Probably because we're so high up here. I don't want to risk it and turn it on, but the way it's looking, it might continue up. So it might be a good play to leave it on and just try and capture a little bit more, but I'm not going to be greedy. Like I said, I'm going to stick with my goals. I'm going to leave it turned off and just be happy. Be happy with my small wins. You know, I could turn NQ later back on and hope and pray that it continues up, but why risk profit? Just come back tomorrow and find a better setup. Right now, to me, in my opinion, we're way too far up here to risk getting into another position. We're at all-time highs now. Psst. Welcome to the Swaginators. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate you being here. I'm in, by the way. How's Santa doing today? Oh, you're in the group now? Santa is up $325 on the day. Let me put him back over here on YouTube just in case he gets into a trade so we can see him. Burberry, if you're in the group, I got to remove you from the list. I think you did say you joined last night, right? Yes. Okay. Gotcha. Remove you. Could I be added to the list? Yes, Caesar, you can. Is it possible to use Santa with micros? Yes, but you'll sometimes have different results because it's on a micro chart instead of a regular chart, I guess. But what's your YouTube, Tyler? Go through my profile, click on my Linktree link, and you can get to it through there. Or you could, I think, search just BoldBot_Kyle on YouTube. I'm live on the main BoldBot page, so if you just search BoldBot_Kyle on YouTube, I think that's my page. I just don't have as many followers as the main BoldBot page. That's why I go live on the main BoldBot page. So, but yeah, you could try it on micros if you wanted to. One micro would only be risking $20 per trade, so not a bad idea if your account can handle the losses, to just size down to one micro and let them run. Just got to be careful because, like we showed earlier, it looked like into a naked trade somehow. And I had to disable it and re-enable it. Do, 420 on this long. Oscar, welcome in. Hello, hello. Thank you guys for being here, hanging out. Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean. Jelly bean, till your fingers turn green. Help me, help you, help others. Let's get those likes up to 5,000 likes. You got 11 minutes. Wonder what the book map is saying here. Hey, Danny, Good morning. How are you? I'm doing well, thank you. Except for the ticket I got from some cop last night for following too close. He said I switched lanes and didn't use my signal, and then I was following too close. Well, you know, you're in an unmarked SUV at night. I can't see you. You're a cop, so. Not that that's any excuse for my driving, but I had to come home and use the bathroom. He didn't quite buy the story, I guess, or didn't really care, but he gave me a ticket for following too close. So we'll see. We'll go to court about that. We're going to have to go to court about that and either fight it or ask for supervision if it's not more than the actual ticket itself. So who knows? Yeah, so we'll go have fun with the old copper in court there if he's going to show up and try and fight it. But anyway, other than that, we're doing great. Sticking to the slow and steady small ball plan approach until I build up a big buffer, and then we can try and double our daily profit goal, or come close to it anyway. Not necessarily have to hit it. I mean, $99.90 is close enough to 100 for me. Especially when the market gets up here. So far, it ran up basically 300 points from this morning. That's a huge, huge move. All the way down, you know, it was at 21,420 ish, 440 ish, and now we're up here at 21,740 ish. So 300 point move today. No FOMO. Could have had it running on Big Bang or Gridlock, either one. What's Big Bang in now? Is Big Bang in a short or long? Big Bang's in a long here. Alright, so we'll keep an eye on that. Big Bang's going to try and get into another long run here. We'll keep an eye on that. Santa tried to take a short there. Didn't quite work out. We're at all-time highs, continuing to move up here from what it looks like. As we're at 21,742. 745 is the new high. Up, up, and away, huh? What a day. What a wonderful, weird, wild, wacky Wednesday. If you got any of that move up this morning, congratulations. You should be rich. It was literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 green candles in a row on the 15-minute chart. NQ later is in a trade here. It's in a long. So we'll see how that plays out for those of you in NQ later. Homework, sorry. Just doing some homework here. 250 on NQ later. Could have been in it. Could have, should have, would have. But 850 on NQ visual long here. Santa getting chopped up here. It kept looking for the short, and it was going long still, Santa. You're on the wrong end of it here. New all-time high, 21,758 right there. I wish I could just have the balls and the nerve to just buy into it and hold it and let it run up. But I'm not that confident in my, it's way up here. So I'm not confident to take a long anymore up here. It's already ran up, like I said, 300 points today. So not to say that it can't keep going up, because obviously it can, but I'm done. I cannot risk the profit that I made already today. So you're looking to short? Yeah. I would not fight this trend, though. There's no sign of it reversing and going short. Might be able to scalp it if it gets up around 800. You got to look at other things on like Bookmap and see where the orders are sitting at. But from what I'm seeing, it's just going up, up, and away. There's no sign of stopping it right now. so close on NQ later of taking profit. It was within three ticks, something like that. Let's see, where was it? Uh, 63, so it needed 4 points actually, still. Good luck, any and all that are in NQ later. Don't fight the trend. The trend is your friend. Just remember, it doesn't have to always reverse and come back down. If this is a bull market and they're going to run this thing up 500-600 points, it can be done. There has to be a clear indication that it is going to turn around and go down. In my opinion, that means it would have to get all the way back under 21,673. But $1,000 now on NQ Visual Long. Remember, guys, $500 for the first month, $1,000 a month after that. Yeah, you can do that. Or even 5 or 6 points if you have, two minis on it or something. Don't get greedy. Just take what it gives you. But it's a dangerous game to fight the trend. Trust me, I've been there and done that many times. We need four or five more points. It was almost up to the target on NQ later. Santa in this short here. It all depends on how much you want to grab, I guess. Marvin Dukes, thank you for the lightning bolt. I appreciate you. And this is why I was scared to let NQ later run, even though it is up $350 right now on one mini. That'd be $70 on 2 micros. Something like that. Could have been another $70 in my pocket if I wanted to follow it close, but hey, that's all right. We're going to stick with our game plan, because when I don't stick with it, that's when I end up busting stuff and going on tilt and going broke, right? Got to stick with your game plan, folks. 8 live accounts. We're going slow and steady each and every day. Just $100 a day per account's $2,000 a month per account. So that'd be $16,000 if I just made $100 a day per account. And that's what we're going to focus on. You got to believe. You just got to stick to your game plan. Stop when you're at your goal. Be humble. Be kind. Be loving to one another. It's a cruel world, blood. Remember that movie? NQ Big Bang in a long green 290. What else we got? NQ Later's in this trade. Trying to reach up here. Santa's in a trade. We got NQ Visual Long in a trade. NQ Visual Short in a trade. I can only show 2 at once. So we got Santa and NQ Visual Long here. Derek Simpson, welcome to the Swagonators Mount Up. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. Let me know if you want entered into the gift giveaway. I'm going to be giving away 2 lucky followers, subscribers, 1 free month of the standard algorithms on December 23rd at noon. So if you want entered into the drawing, you got to follow me on TikTok, X, and YouTube. shoot me a direct message. Let me know that you want entered. And that's how you qualify. Comment on one of my videos would help as well. And I'll put you on the list. Just let me know in chat. And then I'll double check my list before the drawing. Make sure everybody is following. Can't. Okay. All right. Later took profit. $500 on NQ later. All-time highs. Coming in hot. Congratulations to all those. Yes, they do, Steve. As long as they are able to be manipulated by moving the stop loss or closing the positions early and moving your take profit, all that good stuff. As long as you can manually manage it and it's not like fully automated where you just turn it on and you don't have to touch it. Those are the ones that most of them don't allow. But ours, you can manually move and manage. So if I wanted to take this stop loss and click on it and move it up here closer to price, I could do that and then just drop it. And Apex in their last video specifically mentioned something about that as well. So as long as you're sticking to the other consistency rules, most prop firms do allow it. Some do not. But just check with whatever prop firm it is you're wanting to use, I guess. Giovanni, welcome to the Swagonators Mount Up. Thank you for the follow. Derek Simpson, welcome to the Swagonators. Fi or Fifu or Phieu. Welcome in. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the follows, the shares, the likes. Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean, Jelly Bean. Let's get up to 5,000 likes. Help me help you help others. The more likes, the more viewers, the more possible chance somebody wants to join. Yes, Steve, I use both of those, and I don't have a problem. As long as you follow the risk to reward rules and the consistency rules, you're okay. Been using them for over 2 years now. And BoldBot has been around for over 4 years, so almost 5 years, I think she said she's been around now. I got something in my eye. Thank you guys for being here, tuning in. My name is Kyle. This is The Swag Show. What do you know? I'm your host. I do go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern Time, showing you live futures market trading using BoldBot, which is a fully automated, semi-automated trading algorithm for the futures market. And if you want more information, please email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. It is $500 for the first month of the standard algorithms, $1,000 a month after that. $1,500 for the premium. Also, the digital mentorship is on sale right now for $1,000. We also have premium alerts and standard alerts. If you're a manual trader already and you want to subscribe to those, let me know. If you have a cash account, guys, you can make really good money. We recommend, anything above $3,000. You can make close to that much each month using the standard MicroStrategy game plan. So, Utai, welcome in to the Swagonators. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate you being here. Cheeto, thank you for the share. I appreciate it. $920 on this NQ visual long here, and now it's stopped out. Santa's in a trade here now on the short. When you join, do you get access to all the algo bots or just one? The standard algorithms are technically 3 different algorithms that you'll get access to. Funny, goofy guy. You'll get access to box seats, scalper, and Oracle. Those are part of the standard algorithms. If you want the rest of them, you have to subscribe to premium. But Santa, what you're watching right now, is part of the standard algorithms that you get after 1 week of being in the group, so we understand that you understand what you're doing and you're not just going to blow through your accounts. Because Santa can take a lot of trades and you could be up 1,000, but then 10 minutes later you could be down 1,000. So, is there any historical data from previous years for BoldBot on when not to trade during December holidays? Yeah. Lauren has all that information. Now, keep in mind, she does tweak and fine-tune the algorithms to perform better regardless of what time of the year it is. So the same algorithms settings that we had last year are probably not the ones that we have this year. So, all right, visual long. Let's see if it can get back in a trade here. There's visual long here. It's trying to get back into a trade. It's got its limit order here at 754 and just got into the trade. So we'll see if this can continue up. No problemo. Remember to follow me, guys, on TikTok, X, and YouTube if you want to get entered into the drawing. The giveaway is going to be happening December 23rd at noon. Just follow me on here. Shoot me a message. Let me know that you want entered into the drawing for the 1 free month giveaway. It helps if you already have NinjaTrader downloaded, either with a cash account or a prop firm account. You can get the free license from a couple of different prop firm accounts. So I think Take Profit gives you one. I think Apex for sure gives you one. But yeah, that way you will be able to start on the 1st of January using the algorithms and have everything set up and ready to go. BMW, welcome back in. I see you. You want back on the list for the Christmas giveaway? Wolf King, welcome back in. Hello, how are you today? BM Limelight, welcome in. Thank you. Gotcha, BMW. All right, the list is growing. This might be the biggest list that we've ever had. 2 lucky winners will receive 1 free month of the standard algorithms on December 23rd at noon. So mark your calendars. Join me live for the fun action that day. Lost 350 today. Almost had my account back in balance. Now I'm down again. You must have been taking shorts when you should have been taking longs. It moved up 300 some points today. I'm sorry to hear that. But you can get it back. Slow and steady. Slow and steady wins the race. You'll get it back. But now we're way up here too far for me to take a trade or even recommend anybody take a trade after this 300-point move up. So, done for the day for me, trading-wise anyway. We'll let the algorithms run and see what they do. Visual short, visual long, both in the trades, both at $90 now. Visual shorts taking the lead. Crazy times, and it is 11:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Going along with 10 minis. Get after it, Shane. Go get them. Go get them. Good luck. Good luck. What's Santa in? Do you want to even know or see? Where is Santa? He's in a short. Santa's in a short, visual shorts in a short, and visual longs in a long. So, let's see. Shane said he's going long with 10 minis. Good luck. I like it, actually. At 21,750, I'd go long there. But this could be the reversal. You got to be careful. You never know. I like that entry at 21,750 though, if you're going to think about it. If it goes to 854, we'll both wish we did. Yeah. I like the long at 21,750 though. I'm not gonna lie. It looks like it could be a potential place that I might think about it, but I'm not because I'm done for the day. But if I was still going to take one, that would be a good entry point. 21,750. 21,750. Yeah. I like it. Go ahead. What are the benefits of the premium bots? They're more robust. They can take more trades with bigger profits, but they can also take bigger losses sometimes as well. I told you to go long at 750. Look at that. We're up to 762. That's 12 points. I hope you did it. I really hope you took that. Listen to your boy Kyle. Sometimes he knows what he's talking about. I just gave you the play of the day right there. 12-point trade. This is not trading advice. This is strictly entertainment purposes only. But if you listened, you would have been up 12 points at the high. Now, see, sometimes I can't even listen to my own advice because I am shut down for the day. I'm done for the day. I made my goal. And that's what we call FOMO, is when you fear of missing out. Like, I knew that was a good trade setup, but was I going to risk it? I told you should have listened. I liked that entry. There was a lot of good little structured plays on my charts that said, yeah, that could be a good entry. Nice little pullback to that level of support. And now look at it. 12 points. 12 points times 20 is 600 times 10. That's $6,000 you just missed out on. Right? Something like that. I don't know. Maybe my math is wrong. Each point is $20. So 20 times 12 is what? 240 times 10. So $2,400 you missed out on. 2,400. Just to rub that in. You missed out on $2,400 by not listening. But I wouldn't do it again. I would not do it again. Not right now. Not by the looks of things. I would not take that again. It's just too sideways on too much shit right now. And it's kind of in a downtrend, to be honest. So you got the one little free trade that might have worked out. It was risky, but it did work out. But right now, I don't know if I'd take it again. The way it looks, a lot of stuff is pointing on a downslope just a little bit, but it could be a bull flag forming as well. So this might just be a nice pullback down to 21,718 even, and then continue up from there. But be careful. Mantis Sky, welcome to the Swagonators Mount Up. Thank you for following. Corey Pates, greetings. Hello, how are you? Thank you for being here. Appreciate each and every one of you hanging out, tuning in, watching the Swag Show. Keep tapping that screen. Let's get to 5,000 likes before the end of the stream today. I don't know why. It just helps more viewers come in. Do you use other instruments like VIX to enable higher risk with an asset? I look at VIX sometimes, but the algorithms, they don't really care. Some of them do perform better, it seems like, with a higher VIX. But I just use market structure, technical analysis, money movement, price action, levels, patterns, stuff like that when I manually trade. But the algorithms themselves, they just have their settings and they go off of there. So we're in $150 short on Santa here. Let me move him over and show you. 160. Santa is our scalper algorithm. He looks for the reversals, and this is why I told you not to take it again. If you did, you got to let this pullback happen to create the flag pattern, and it could drop all the way to 718 maybe. Just my opinion, not trading advice. So you're heavy on the inside candle trading with weighted average Indy. Okay, yeah. I use a lot of different indicators as well, Corey. I have 3 or 4 different indicators, and then I look at different charts like 15 minutes, 1 minute, 5 minute, 500 tick with 3 or 4 different indicators. So, yeah, you got to find what works best for you and just go with that. Trust the process. Whatever you've learned, whatever's been working for you, just stick to it. Have faith in your ability and your confidence in your trades. Don't worry about the profit. Worry about the process. As long as you can feel comfortable saying, yeah, I think that was a good trade, I'll take it again, you'll be all right. It's not always going to win. But as long as it wins more than it loses, you should be profitable. You know what I mean? 55% win rate, you should be profitable. So, Stokes Trades, welcome to the Swagonators. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate you being here. Teresa Jacob, hello. Welcome to the Swagonators. Mount up. Have you found the BoldBot to be a standalone EA? Earned income EA. I'm confused on what EA means. I use the algorithm exclusively. I run it on my accounts, but I also manually trade on top of it. So I hope that kind of answers your question, Corey. I'm not sure what the EA means, though. I'm a little slow sometimes. Expert advisor. Oh, yeah, for sure. Like, you can use it as a great tool to get into and out of trades, if that's what you mean. 100%. Even if you're not running it live, you can use it as a very good indicator. And if you use 2 or 3 of them to see what they're doing, if they're like all entered at the same price, that's probably a good sign that that's a good entry point, you know? But yeah. I'm cold in here. I'm refusing to turn my heat up above 65, though. That's why I'm bundled up in sweatpants and long sleeve shirt. So don't laugh at me. I'm cheap. I like to keep my house cold. Helps you sleep better at night anyway. What's in a trade? We just got visual short, visual long, and that's it right now. It's 11:56. We're almost to 5,000 likes. You got 4 minutes to get me 500 likes. Just keep tapping that screen, if you know what I mean. Jelly bean till your fingers turn green. Help me help you help others, and your girlfriend or your wife will appreciate it later. Trust me. Never mind, I'm silly. Key Davey, welcome in. FMN Education, welcome in. Yeti. Danny MSIG, welcome in. Thank you for being here. Daniel Smith. Kim Christians. King Marley, Big Texas, welcome in. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate each and every one of you hanging out with me and my silliness. This is the Swag Show. What do you know? I am your host. My name is Kyle. I do go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern Time, showing you live futures market trading using BoldBot, which is a fully automated trading algorithm on the futures market. If you want more information, please email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. Whew. $500 for the first month. I am going to do a giveaway. 2 lucky contestants will be getting 1 free month of the standard algorithms on December 23rd. You just have to follow me on TikTok, X, and YouTube. Leave a comment. Shoot me a DM. Let me know you want to get on the list. I will be giving away 1 free month to 2 lucky viewers on December 23rd. Kim Christensen, welcome to the Swagonators. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate you being here. Yeti. Next, Billy Solana meme token. Okay. I hope you do well, sir. Don't come spamming my chat, though. I appreciate you. Pilot Dog, welcome in. Corey, welcome to the Swagonators. Mount up. Thank you for being here. Sky Do. Hensman, welcome in. Ralph Rabjosh. Bream Stubbs, welcome in. Back to work. All right, Corey, take it easy, man. I'll see you later on. If you want entered into the drawing, shoot me a DM for the 1 free month giveaway. Admir, welcome in. Kyle, welcome in. 400 Falcon, hello. There's the inactivity right at noon as scheduled by TikTok and its craziness. Inactivity detected. What are you talking about? I've been talking the whole time. Make me solve a stupid little puzzle. Anyway, here I am. I'm back. Prob, thank you for the lightning bolt, brother. I appreciate you. Your 750 long worked out again. Tried it on Sim. Yeah, well, you know, that was just a shorter pullback than I thought it was going to be, I guess. It looked like it was going to be a downward start of a downward trend on a lot of different things, but I guess not. It was just a pullback. Now we're going up, up, and away. Should have put it on 10 minis, Shane, and YOLO'd it. Sometimes I want to do it. Which coin? No coins. We don't do crypto, forex, options, stocks, none of that. We just do the futures market. Somebody was in here spamming their meme coin, which is okay. I'll let them get away with it. But as long as they don't go too crazy, I won't boot them out. I'll be polite. We had 45 viewers in here 10 seconds ago. But hey, whatever. Influx is influx. Viewers are viewers. Might have caught somebody's eye and said, hey, what's this guy doing? It's just me, just acting silly. Just trading the futures market here. Trying to make people laugh. Look at that. That's a 17, 18 point movie now. I can't even talk. My lips are so cold. Yeah, Shane, why didn't you take it this time, huh? That's a 20-point move right there for you, bud. 20-point move from the 750 that I told you could have taken along the first time. I didn't feel confident on the second, but really there's no sign that it's going to move down. It's probably just going to continue to move up here. Back. Some comments in this live were filtered to protect the community's experience. Okay, well, thank you, TikTok and your censorship group. I appreciate you. Alex Fan, welcome in. Mr. J, welcome in. Bean, hello, at the 618. NQ visual long here. If you're looking for a long, that would have been it. 754. 750 was the real entry that I gave you. Did that get above that? Yes, it did. So we're back in an uptrend, making higher highs. This is just probably a pullback here. Don't be scared. Don't be scared now. Get it. Buy it all. YOLO. 10 minis long. Just joking. Don't do it. Sometimes I know what I'm talking about. Other times I have no clue what I'm talking about. But some days I am super hyper focused and can just see things that look like things I've seen before. And it looked like that was going to be like a bullish flag. And they were going to trick you by looking like a downtrend. We picked the right bottom entry point at 750. You could have went long and you would be up 20 points. So there you go. Let's go! Satoshi Souvenirs. Where are we going, though? I don't know. But, hey, we're going up, I guess. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you. We got about 25 minutes left in the stream today. I got lots of Zoom calls, I think, lined up after the stream I got to get to help some new members. And then I got to eat some lunch. And then got to take a break. And then I got to probably go drive some Uber tonight. Got to go drive and make a little bit more money because I can never have too much money. Just got to make money whatever way I can. Last night I got a ticket, though. It sucked because I was in a hurry trying to get home. Luckily, the cop didn't give me like a speeding or reckless driving. He just gave me following too close, which is easy to usually beat in court. So I'll probably just have to go to court and try and beat that ticket. Luckily, I've got somebody on the inside that works at the courthouse, so we'll see how things go. NQ Day Waves in a trade here. $155 green on the old NQ Day Waves. It's usually it's a fairly consistent algorithm on that one. Everything in the green except for I guess PBV ES Knight somehow still in a trade. I don't know. That's weird. I don't know if something's wrong on mine on that one or not, but that's weird that that's in a trade right now. Unless it just never got out of it. Let me see. ESPVBBBBB. I can't talk. Okay, so yeah, I guess it could have been in a trade still from overnight. What time to get in this thing? I don't know how it's in a trade, though. That doesn't make sense that that's in a trade, but oh well. Whatever. We're not worried about it. We're not in it live, so. $450 on this NQ Visual Long, which is 27 points now from my entry I gave out that you could have had 10 minis on, like Shane, and just made a lot of money, but you don't want to listen. I got to give him shit because he gives me shit, and that's how we roll. Don't worry about it. Mind your business. Watch your mouth. Nobody move. Nobody get hurt. You know, forget about it. Yeah, to 856. There's no way I'm holding on that long, but it's probably where it's headed. We're at 780. Yeah. Hey, that's 30 points of profit on 10 minis. I would have been ecstatic to have that much profit on, especially on my cash account. Baby Yoda, welcome in. I wish I would have, right? FOMO. That's where that FOMO kicks in, Shane. You're about to make me click buttons, but I'm not going to do it. Wouldn't be prudent at this point in juncture. Especially when we come up to 800, we'll see what happens. But man, oh man, what a move, what a play. If I could have had that many. I can't even take that many contracts on my cash account yet, though, unfortunately. So that's all right. Tradeify would have had a heart attack. Yeah. I could have taken it on that for sure. Could have taken it on my Tradeify account. Why the hell didn't I? Probably because it never works out when I size up, right? But man, oh man, what a day that would have been if I would have just had one mini on Big Bang this morning. That would have been great. Thank you guys for being here, tuning in. If you don't know, this is the Swag Show. What do you know? My name is Kyle. I'm your host. I do go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern Time, showing you live futures market trading using BoldBot, which is a fully automated trading algorithm on the futures market. If you want more information, please email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. This is NQ Visual Long. It's in a $600 long here, as you can see. Money, money, money. Yeah, well, but who cares at that point? You build that buffer that big, you can make 250 a day for the rest of your trading journey with them and still withdraw maximum amount until, and plus all that would flip over to a live account with them after your fourth withdrawal or whatever. So you'd have that much more in your live account. But yeah, even two minis on my cash account would have been nice. To get even this 30-point move that I just gave you. 30 freaking points on my cash account would have been so lovely. So lovely. 30 times 20 is 600. Times 2 is 1,200. That would have been 1,200 fucking bucks I just missed out on. See, now I'm having FOMO, Shane. Shame on you, Shane, for giving me FOMO. I'm just joking. But seriously, it would have been nice to have that money. That's all right. We're going slow and steady. Eventually, one day, we will be able to make bigger plays like this and hold our trades longer. Have a little bit more knowledge of what the market's going to do, but it's all right. We're going to have fun. Are you coming to Texas? I didn't look in the group. We're going to have fun when we come to Texas. If you're coming to Texas, hopefully we'll have a good time. John, welcome in. Headdress, welcome in. Thank you for being here. Som Tu Chuk Woo, welcome in. Names are flying by so fast I can't even read them. And I can read usually pretty fast. Ed Foy, Azel Santana, welcome in. Up, up, and away we go. Boy, oh boy, do I just want to click the button. Ah, I gotcha. I gotcha. We'll see. I really want to click the button, but not gonna do it. Not gonna do it. Just gonna be happy with the little $100 that I made. You know, could have made thousands, but coulda, woulda, shoulda. That's how you bust your account, by buying in way up here in the atmosphere. We're in outer space right now, guys. This is literally a 330-point move from this morning. 330-point moves. I caught the Southwest. They had a Cyber Monday sale. That was like, I think it was, what was it? 35% off of the ticket prices on. So I got my plane ticket when I saw that Cyber Monday deal. And I saved like $100 on my flight. So it was awesome. Future Scalper, there he is. Tino, where you been, brother? My brother from another mother sneaking in here from the Hawaiian Islands, brah. I see him sneak in here. I hope all is well. I hope you had a fabulous Thanksgiving. I hope you're blessed. I hope you and the family are healthy. I hope you won a jackpot when you were in Vegas last time. But we got 8 live accounts now, and we're just sticking to the slow and steady plan. Anything over $100 is fine by me. That's $2,000 a month per account. Times 8, that's $16,000 a month. So I'm just going to go slow and steady. Yeah, even just one mini from the move up this morning. 330 some points right now. Right? 330 points times 20. Whatever that math equals. $6,600 something. Got 3 lives and 10 evals right now. And I was looking into Top Step as well. Right now, I think they have a sale going on, $49 for an account with Top Step. So I might look more into them as well. That way, I'll have just about every prop firm I can trust, as far as we know. I've got Tradeify, Apex, Take Profit right now. And if I go with Top Step, I'll have Top Step as well. So I don't know. We'll see. I might look into it. Maybe they've got an affiliate code as well. On Top Step, I'm not sure. I watch those guys in the morning. I watch Rips. He's a streamer that's part of the Top Step group. He plays high stakes poker in Vegas. He's going to be on a live stream later today. but I don't know anything about how their structure company works. So I'm going to have to look into it. But Top Step is one that I hear a lot of people talk good about, and they live stream on YouTube all day long on Top Step TV. So check them out. I don't really know how they work though, but I'm going to look into them. All right, we'll see if this is going to, NQ is going to break 21,800 here. It's getting kind of some resistance at the 21,788 level. So we'll see. Remember, if you want to get entered into the drawing, you got to follow me on TikTok, YouTube, and X. Shoot me a message. Let me know that you want to get entered into the drawing for one free month of the standard algorithms that I'm going to be giving away on December 23rd at noon. Live on stream. We'll spin the wheel. Round and round it'll go. 2 lucky winners will receive one free month of the standard algorithms for new members only. You just got to follow me, shoot me a message, comment on one of my videos on the 3 platforms, and you'll be qualified to win. So, even if you have 2 of them, that'd be fine. If you just have TikTok and YouTube and you don't have X, that's okay. The more the merrier. You just got to follow me on one of the 2 of the socials. That's great. Shoot me a message. Let me know you want to get entered into the drawing, and we'll have a grand old time come December 23rd. Payout every 5 winning days. Doesn't need to be consecutive. Huh. But I thought they had like different levels of evals. Like they say something was like an XRP account or something. I don't know. I'll have to look more into it. But if you're going to research it, let me know. Scooby, I would like to be entered. Okay. Let me put you on a list here, Scooby-Dooby-Doo. All right, I got you on the list there. Ernest Koza, welcome to the Swaginators Mount Up. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. You are now part of the Swag Nation Army. Jetsu, welcome back. How have you been? Long time no see. Alexander Jovardi. Garcian CYW Trades, welcome in. Hello, what do you know? Thank you guys for tuning in and being here. My name is Kyle. This is the Swag Show. I do go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern Time, showing you live futures market trading using BoldBot, which is a fully automated trading algorithm on the futures market. And if you want more information, please email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. Yes, first payouts are 50%. After 30 winning days, they are 100%. Huh. Okay. Is Apex going to be doing a 90% anytime soon? I don't know, but I hope so. Hopefully for Christmas they do, but I'm not sure. I would assume so, since they just did one for like the Black Friday sale or whatever, Cyber Monday sale. They did a short little quick 90% off. So hopefully they'll do one around Christmas time. But right now I think it's 50% off is all they're doing. But use the code SWAGSHOW and you'll get the best deal that they have going on if you use my discount code. Every little dollar helps me, help my kids. All right, we're kind of consolidating again. What do we got? 10 minutes of consolidation right here in a 10-point range, so be careful. Zoom with Oscar. All right, well, it looks like I got a Zoom call here coming up in a few minutes, so we'll see what this trade does. I'll stick around until the full 12:30 time. Glory, welcome in. Welcome to the Swagonators Mount Up. I appreciate it. Dennis, welcome to the Swagonators Mount Up. Thank you for the follows, guys. I appreciate you being here. Remember, if you want to get entered into the drawing, just shoot me a DM on TikTok, on X. You got to follow me, and you'll be entered. On YouTube, you just got to subscribe to the BoldBot page or my page on YouTube. Preferably my page so I can grow my YouTube page. I don't have enough subscribers to really go live on that page right now. That's why I'm using the main BoldBot page. But as soon as my page gets enough members or subscribers, however it works, then I'll start going live on there. So if you want to know my YouTube, it's BoldBot_Kyle. Just search for that. Or follow the link in my Linktree app on my TikTok profile. We're just having fun in the California sun here, even though I'm not in California. I'm in the freezing cold. It's 32 degrees outside. Met my goal today, $100 across all accounts, $311 on my big Tradeify account. Little above 100 on all 8 accounts, except for that one Tradeify where I do size up to a mini, and I made $311 on it today. So just broke the trend. Barely, but that's what happened last time on that pullback, and then it continued to go up. It's a fake out bull flag pullback. Who knows? Could continue. Like I said, let it do its thing. Let it breathe. Let it pull back here. Could come all the way back down to 755-ish, 56. Who knows? Maybe 760. But yeah, I hope everybody has a fantastic rest of this wonderful, weird, wild, wacky Wednesday of profit. Everything was in the green. Santa took it. Not my Santa. Santa's off right now. He's on lunch break eating milk and cookies. You changed the time, Santa. Santa didn't trade. He's on lunch break. On mine anyway, but you know, you do what you want to do. We'll give it a few more minutes here. Santa's eating the milk and cookies with the reindeers. Maybe, you know, he's clicking the button of Mrs. Claus. Who knows? Big move back up here now. The pullback. I hope he took the long. I got to stop watching this or I'm going to want to trade some more. And that's not good. Because we're done for the day. We made our goal. We got a swag, which is stop, win, at goal. That's what swag stands for. This has been the Swag Show. I appreciate each and every one of you hanging in there with me today watching. I will be back tomorrow. Same bat time, same bat channel, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern time on TikTok and YouTube. Follow me. Click the notification button so you know when I go live each and every day, Monday through Friday. But I appreciate each and every one of you hanging out with me today. Remember, shoot me a message if you follow me, if you want to get entered into the drawing for the 1 free month of the standard algorithms that will be given away on the 23rd of this month. But until then, guys, I will see you tomorrow. I've got Zoom calls. Otherwise, I'd stick around and stream some more, but I've got Zoom calls that I got to get to, all right? I appreciate y'all. I love you. I will see you mañana. Okay? Okay? All right? It's all right? It's okay. It's okay? It's all right. All right? All right. Anyway, whatever. I'm out of here.